Hey, so we're back with Break No Mars, and we are going right now with the immediate action part. So the immediate action part is is about taking action, and now we're gonna come back again around the values, the selection of the values. Perhaps you haven't done it yet. Immediate action. This is what I just wrote um, to remind it myself every time I will look it up for the next videos. So what you do right now is a quick exercise again around your value. Perhaps you've selected all your values, perhaps you didn't yet, perhaps you want to go through the entire playlist at once, but now it's time to take action. So this exercise is about bypassing your overthinking and your analytical mind and follow your intuitive reasoning much more, the one that's supposed to be subconscious and not controlled by the mind control. So what you can do as well is to do the exercise to feedback on your previous selection if you've already done it. And perhaps you want to, I don't know if you want to go a bit more complicated about it, you can duplicate the file, remove all the yes, no, right? And then you go through the exercise once more. It's like it's a double selection process, and like this you refine your it helps you to refine your decision making in your discernment and as well to get more in touch with what you want, how your decision making is flowing according to the day and what's going on in your life. That's a way to as well feedback on yourself. So what you do right now is you go to the value worksheet that is in the link in the bio, that is in the bio in the description. Then you set a timer of 60 seconds. All right. And you rapidly check each value that gives you a yes feeling, right? It's like, oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, I love that. Okay, like, out. And then, like, the more you feel it, the more it means that it's relevant to you. And then once you've done this, you can repeat the action 6 months later to see where you're at. It's a 6 week process. Otherwise, you do the self-assessment on the numbers from 1 to 10 each 2 weeks at least. Much love and enjoy your day. We go on.